Important biology question for NEET 2021. Question number 7. Accessory pigments. Option 1, play no role for photosynthesis. 2, release electron and get oxidized. 3, transfer electron to NADP. 4, allow plant to harvest visible light of wider range of wavelength. This is correct. The accessory pigment, that is chlorophyll, B, carotene and xanthophyll. Carotene and xanthophyll. They are the accessory pigment, and they also protect the chlorophyll A from photooxidation damage. Also protect chlorophyll A from photooxidation damage. Question 8. Carbon dioxide to NADPH2 to ATP ratio in C3 plant is. Options are 1:2:3, 1:2:4, 1:3:6, 1:12:18. Here it is, the option 1, 1:2:3. That is, for reduction of one molecule of carbon dioxide require 2 molecule of NADPH2 and 3 molecule of ATP molecule. Okay, so 1:2:3. Question number 9, when Rubisco act as an oxygenase. In that case, 1 molecule of phosphoglycerate and 1 molecule of phosphoglycolic acids are produced. And this is the beginning of photorespiration. Question 10, in C4 plants, the Calvin cycle occur in the stroma of the bundle sheath cell, and light reaction occur in the mesophyll cell. Light reaction occurs in mesophyll and dark reaction in the bundle sheath cell. So light and dark reaction takes place in 2 different cells. Question 11. Tropical plants like sugarcane show high efficiency of carbon dioxide fixation because of the options are Calvin cycle, Hatch and Slack cycle, EMP pathway, TCA cycle. This is due to presence of Hatch and Slack cycle. This is also known as C4 cycle. C4 cycle. This Hatch and Slack cycle absorb carbon dioxide in the mesophyll cells and release it in the bundle sheath cell for reduction in the Calvin cycle. Question 12. PP carboxylase has an advantage over Rubisco. That Rubisco combined with oxygen, but PP carboxylase does not. This Rubisco enzyme can function as a carboxylase as well as oxygenase. In normal condition, it functions as a carboxylase, but if oxygen concentration is high, it starts behaving as oxygenase and help to absorb oxygen. And due to that, the efficiency of the photosynthesis is decreased. But due to presence of PEP carboxylase, which is present in the C4 plant, the PEP carboxylase never function as oxygenase, so it always help to absorb carbon dioxide, and so the efficiency of the photosynthesis increases. Question 13. C4 plants are able to minimize photorespiration because C4 plants, options are, do not carry out Calvin cycle, not true. Use PEP carboxylase to initiate carbon dioxide. This is the correct, and option 2 is the answer. Option 3, absorb carbon dioxide at night for photosynthesis, never, and do not show respiration, no. So it is C4 plants, they don't have photorespiration due to this presence of PEP carboxylase. Question number 14. Read the following statements. 1. They have a special type of leaf anatomy. Number 2. They tolerate higher temperature. 3. They show a response to high light intensities. 4. They lack photorespiration. 5. They have greater productivity of biomass. The above characters are shown by, it is options are all monocot, C3 plant, all C2 plant, and all C4 plant. Option 4 is the correct answer, that is all C4 plant. These are the characteristic feature of C4 plant.